Cat Nights. Felicity's goblin green cake blazed with candles. It was her 263rd birthday. For a witch, 263 is a very big year. It's the year she grows her first wart, the year her shoes begin to curl up at the toes, and the year she's able to cast her first love spell. Felicity was as happy as a ghost on Halloween, but not because of the warts or the curly-toed shoes. She was happy because tonight she was finally old enough to turn herself into a cat. Felicity couldn't imagine anything in the whole witchy world better than being a cat. Please tell me about having whiskers and seeing in the dark. Is it fabulous? She asked her older cousins. It's good, but flying on your broomstick is better, Wanda said. I like brewing potions more, Willa added. Believe it, brewing is best, said Woo. Felicity smiled a catty smile. Usually her cousins were right, she thought, but not this time. The sun set and the moon rose. Felicity was so excited she could hardly say the words of the cat-changing spell. Give me whiskers and moonlight sight, as I become a cat tonight. My witchy self will now be gone, but I'll return by break of dawn. Poof! Felicity's face sprouted whiskers, and her fingernails became razor-sharp claws. She had night vision and forepaw drive, and a beautiful long tail that switched and twitched for balance. With one sure leap, she was over the wall and gone into the night.